Hello children, in this video I am going to explain you about the electricity, which is a chapter 12th of a CBSE 10th. Okay, we will learn some basic concepts first. Okay, what are the concepts are there? Okay, first when we talk about electricity, what do you mean by electricity? Okay, it is nothing but a flow of charges. Okay, so electricity is nothing but a flow of charges per unit time. Okay, charge flowing per unit time, charge upon time is called as what? Electricity we are representing as I, charge as Q, time as T. Okay, this is the formula for electricity. Charge flowing per unit time is called as what? Electricity. Okay, okay, so this is the formula of electricity. You should know children, SI unit of charge. What is the SI unit of charge? SI unit of charge is coulomb, representing as C. Okay, whereas SI unit of time is second, representing as small s. SI unit of electricity is ampere, we are writing as capital. Okay, so whenever suppose 1 coulomb of charge flows for 1 second, current is said to be 1 ampere. Okay, when charge is 1 coulomb, time is 1 second, so 1 by 1 is what? 1. So current is said to be 1 ampere when 1 coulomb of charge flows through the conductor for 1 second. That is a basics. Okay, now when we talk about materials, actually children, materials is mainly we can classify materials into two types. One is conductor, which allow the electricity to pass through them. Okay, other is what? Insulator. Okay, which do not allow the electricity to pass through them. Insulators. Examples of insulators we can say wood is there, plastics, mostly non-metals, all the non-metals. Okay, like carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. Okay, here when we talk about graphite, which is also a form of carbon, a drop of carbon, is a good conductor of electricity. Okay, conductors, examples all metals generally, aluminium, iron, copper. Okay, so the reason of why they are conducting is they are having free electrons, whereas insulators does not have free electrons. That's why they do not conduct electricity. Okay, fine. Now you should understand, children, charge mainly of two types are there. Okay, one is positive charge, other is negative charge. Okay, positive charge and negative charge. Okay, there is just one fundamental property of charge, that like charges repel each other. Like charges repel each other, whereas unlike charges attract each other. Each other. Okay, like plus plus, what will happen? Repulsion. In plus plus, whenever one positive charge is brought near the another positive charge, repulsion. Plus minus, attraction. Am I clear? Okay, what is the charge of electron? Being a good student, you should know charge of electron is nothing but a minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, next concepts is there. Okay, if any conductor is there, okay, how much amount of charge is present? That total amount of charge is always a integral multiple of E. Okay, means the charge may be 2 coulomb, okay, 2 electrons, 3 electrons. It cannot be in fraction, 1.5 electrons, 2.1 electrons, like that. Okay, this is also called as quantization of charge. What it is called as? Quantization of charge. Charge present in a conductor or a material is always a integral multiple of E. Okay, n times of E. Okay, for example, charge in a conductor, we can say 2 electron is there. It may be 3 electrons, it may be 10 electrons, minus 5 electrons. Okay, so these are the charge, maybe plus minus any. Okay, fine. Now we talk about some more concepts like electric potential. Okay, try to understand, children. Suppose a unit positive charge is there at Q, I want to move this unit positive charge from infinity to a point A. So for that we have to do some work, right? So that amount of work done by the charge is called as what? A potential. Okay, so work done W, charge Q, potential as V. So you can write what is the formula of V? V is equal to W upon Q. Okay, suppose the SI unit of work done is joule. Okay, whereas charge is what? A coulomb. Okay, SI unit of work is what? A joule. You are writing as J. SI unit of charge, I told you. What is that SI unit of charge? Coulomb. See, these are scientist name, children. Coulomb is also a scientist name. Joule is also a scientist name. Because of their contribution in the field of physics, they are taking SI unit in their name only. Okay. So when the 1 joule of work is done for one to bring a unit positive charge from infinity to a one point, then potential is said to be 1 volt. So SI unit of potential is what? A volt. What is SI unit of potential? Volt. We are writing as V. Okay. Fine. So let me ask you, define 1 volt. Potential is said to be 1 volt if 1 joule of work is done to bring a 1 coulomb of charge from infinity to a point. Understood? That is electric potential. Okay. Next we talk about a potential difference. Potential difference. Try to understand. Suppose 2 points are there, children. One point A is there, other point B is there. I want to move a unit positive charge. Unit positive charge means that is a test charge actually, having one unit magnitude, means it may be 1 nanocoulomb, 1 macrocoulomb. Okay, so values is what? 1. Okay, so if I want to move a unit positive charge from one point to other point, for that we have to do some work, right? So here we can write a work done to move a charge from one point to other point. Okay, that is a potential difference. Okay, suppose 1 joule of work is done to bring 1 coulomb of charge from one point to other point, then potential difference is also said to be 1 volt. Am I clear? Correct? In electricity chapter, you should remember some symbols, children. Some symbols used in electric circuit. Like this is the symbol for wire. Okay, electric wire. This is a symbol for resistor. This is a symbol for ammeter. Ammeter is a device which is used to measure the current. Okay, voltmeter. V for voltmeter. Okay. Next we talk about switch, open switch, or also written as like this, open switch, switch open. Okay, this is a closed switch, or we can write like this, closed switch. Am I clear? Similarly, we can use this is the variable resistor. Okay, what is this? Variable resistor means the value of resistance is not fixed. Fine. Like that. Next, like that in the page number, in the textbooks, you can see in the page number 203. Okay, you can refer textbooks also, NCERT textbooks. Okay, they have given more symbols also. Okay, fine. This is the symbol for wire crossing over, means here wire is passing, other wire is passing, but they are not touching. This is what a wire crossing over. Wire crossing over. Okay, if there is both wires are touched, this is what a wire jointed, we can say wire jointed. Am I clear? Fine. This is a symbol for electric cell. Electric cell. We are using for wall clock and all. That is electric cell. Okay. If 2 or more cells are connected, that is called as what? A battery. What it is called as? Battery. So in the cell, this is a smaller one is negative, because big line is what? A positive. Considered as positive. Am I clear? So this one you should know. Okay, this is the symbol for electric lamp or bulb. Electric lamp or electric bulb. Okay, so when we talk about let's take one simple electric circuit. Okay, electric circuit, when you see electric circuit, so in the circuit we can say this is a one lamp we have taken. Okay, we can take one switch, we can take one cell. Okay, when the switch is off, okay, means open, so the current will not glow. As soon as you on it, okay, current will start flowing from this and this bulb will glow. Am I clear? This is a bulb glowing symbol. Bulb is glowing. Am I clear? Okay. Now children, one very important concept I am going to explain, that is what? Ohm's law. Ohm's law. Okay, this is a 7-star expected questions in the board exam. Okay, what Ohm is again scientist name. Okay, what he told that once you pass